Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I'm making this hair growth serum that I found online. So I'll show you the ingredients and how I put it together, and then I'll track my progress just to see, how much new growth I have and if it's really making a difference or not. After having kids, I've noticed more like thinning on my hair. So I'll just show you a closer look. So I'm hoping that this helps. I bought these 1 ounce bottles with the dropper on Amazon, and it came in a pack of 4. It also came with this little funnel, which is nice, and then I got the ingredients needed, which are lavender essential oil. This is Brooklyn Botany brand. I got aloe vera rosemary essential oil, glycanic cedarwood oil, and then Fiora Naturals tea tree organic essential oil. And then I also got coconut oil. So this is the carrier oil. So from what I saw, the instructions are add 10 drops of the essential oil and then fill the rest of the 1 ounce bottle with the coconut oil. So I'll go ahead and get started. And I'm just speeding through, adding in the 10 drops of each essential oil, since this is a pretty straightforward process. And now here is the last one to drop in. Okay, and as you can see here, this is about where the 10 drops each got to. So the rest of the bottle will be filled with the coconut oil. So I used the funnel that came with the dropper bottles. This made it a lot easier to drop in the coconut oil. Okay, so you really want to stop right about here. So I'll go ahead and put the dropper in. And then just, mix it up. I'm going to go ahead and use it. So the instruction that I saw was to use a few drops in your hair like 2 to 3 times a week, and leave it overnight and then wash it out the next day. So I'll just put a few drops and then just kind of massage it through my scalp. So I'll go ahead and leave this overnight and then wash it out, and I'll do it again like 2 to 3 times per week. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really hoping that this works because it's very easy, to make, and a little bit goes a long way. So stay tuned.